Well, hello. How goes it? Good evening, day, morning, whatever it is for you. Let's get some stuff going on here. Get some YouTube stuff. What do we got? Wrong one. Let's get this one going. Alright. Phoenix bird. Chicken. What does that mean? Alright. Turn you vibrate off. Alright. Yeah, that's good. This. We'd have both YouTube chats open. Wait. Where the hell? What the hell? Where's my stoof? There we go. Both chats are open. We got Twitch on deck. And it is a very exciting Monday. Very exciting. You know why? Because it's launch day. We've got Myropelia. Isn't that exciting? No, it's been a little while. Took a lot of work. I mean, some of you were here for that. You know, when I was reading my, reading the chapters out, trying to get the run through for the editor. I think definitely went a lot faster. I started rewriting it, you know, 7 months ago. I think I started it. So, pretty damn good compared to the 4 years it took me to write the first one. But, you know, I didn't really have a timeline for the first one. I didn't really know what I was doing, if I was even going to finish it, you know. I also had no idea what I was doing. Writing a book had never crossed my purview before. And, yeah. It was hard. And I kind of sucked at it, you know, early on. So, anyways, let's see, actually. Why does it feel like the video is too low? I won't cut off. I wonder if that's just... I don't know. I mean, I have the YouTube Shorts live feed on my phone, but I mean, maybe on a different phone it'll cut off differently. I have it set up just for my phone, so... But what I have going on in OBS looks different. You know, it's a lot more space. It's way more cut off on my phone. I'm guessing that's just because it's my phone, but anyways, yeah, Myropelia right here. We got Kindle, we got paperback. I was able to launch them at the same time just because I typesetted it both ways. Whoa. LED face mask. That is crazy looking. Yeah, there it is. That's the paperback. Got the website on there. Got that from another book. I was just trying to look at like what people's back matter like that looks like. And yeah, I like the placement of their website right above the barcode. Thought that was cool, so I did the same thing. This time I did not put my face on the back of the book like I did for book 1. Figured if you're reading it, you already know who I am, and no real reason to repeat myself. But yeah. And we have the Myropelia project in production. This is the audiobook. Goes through ACX. They're the distributor. They handle, you know, all the distribution throughout everything. Audible and wherever the audiobook goes. Sorry, just listening. The wife was calling about some dog thing. Alright. Look at dogs sneezing over and over. I don't know. Excuse me. Yeah. So that's exciting. And we'll see how it does, you know. I had about 21 pre-orders. They haven't shown up in the orders menu yet, which is kind of weird. I assume they will at some point. Usually it kind of happens like day of, they all go through. So it's a little weird, but yeah, we'll check the numbers tomorrow. I'm sure it'll all come through. Honestly, at this point, I'm not super worried about, you know, getting a bunch of sales on, you know, book 1, book 2. I really stressed that, and I even re-released the book just to kind of get in a better position, so that it could get more eyes on it. But after spending so much time and money on Facebook ads mostly, which was the majority of my sales were coming from Facebook ads, but also the majority of the cost of marketing was coming from Facebook ads. After doing all that, and, you know, getting daily sales, 1 or 2 sales a day, and getting people talking about the book from the Facebook posts and ads and all that kind of stuff, and it was great. You know, it was good to get a buzz and people seeing it, and, you know, got a lot of positive feedback, and we're getting a lot of reviews and stuff like that too. Got up to 51 ratings, and that was mostly just from the people coming from Facebook, and whatever word of mouth that drove. But I was told this early on when I was coming out with the book from, you know, some career-long authors, the ones that are like, that's what they do for a living. They just release books and they sell their box sets, and they, you know, they kind of bank off of their previous work for a long time. And I mean, they told me, until you have a series finished, it's really hard to make any sort of profit off your books. You know, and if you're not writing a series, like, they're just saying, you know, you need at least 2 books to even consider Facebook ads. And I've said this before, because what happens is, you know, you get people reading the first book and then they go to the second book. It's like, you lose less money because it's kind of like a double sale. But it's all a numbers game. And the more books you have, the more, you know, content you have for people to buy, and it ends up making you money in the long run, because people don't just buy your first book, they buy that book, and they buy the next book, and they buy the next book, and depending on how long your series is, or if you have multiple series and they really like it, they'll go into those. So one person can end up being 7 or 8 sales, right? And I see that now. Because, like I said, I was fine taking a loss lead into from the first book, but yeah. Yeah, it's fine taking a loss for the first book for a while, just to get some momentum going, get some people out there talking about it, get some reviews, just so if somebody does catch the second book, they're like, oh, you know, the first one is actually sort of established. So, yeah. That's my thinking about it. I can always turn the ads back on. You can also do retargeting with Facebook ads. Like everybody who's interacted or, you know, clicked on your Facebook ads before, you can put them in the new separate targeting source where you can so that you can like target the next book to them. So it's not like I'm just putting ads out there for Myropelia all willy-nilly, and like if people click on it, they're like, oh, it's the second book, like I want to read the first book then. Yeah, it's a little harder of a sale than like, oh, I know Orbem, I already either bought it or I know about it from the ads I saw. I was like, oh, there's another book, so now there's a lot to read. I was getting some people talking about the like, oh man, you only have 10 hours of audiobook, like I need at least 10 more. You know, I'm not done. As, you know, it's just like the people that like watching series, like binging series, like they want to read the whole thing and see what happens, or they want to watch the whole series and see what happens at the end. But yeah, so that's why it's good to have a series, because then you can sell the box set. You sell the box set, people read the entire thing, and if you have multiple box sets, if they like the first one, they'll buy the other, you know. Yeah, that's the long-term author game. You know, if you don't strike lightning like Harry Potter, where it just blows up and everybody wants it and it sells millions of copies and they want to make it into a movie, you know what I mean, just from that one series or that one book, then, you know, your only other option as an author to make money, like satisfactory money, is writing a whole bunch, right? Like coming out with 20, 30 books. Because I mean, once they're out there, they're out there. They're one more product that can sell. And if you market correctly and you don't lose a bunch of money, and every new person can buy 20 books over a certain amount of time, and that's consistent income. That's kind of how it works. That's something I didn't know. I was just trying to get a movie. Still shooting for that, by the way. Anybody who makes blockbuster films, please, yeah, reach out. I'd love to pitch you an idea. I have this series that I'd love for you to watch. Anyways. So, where are we at? I know where we're at. We made signs. Check it out. It's right there. Ready? It's like, oh, there's a sign on the wall. Boop. Hey, read the sign. Yeah. We need to make this closable. And, you know, I'm not too worried about the way it looks. I also don't mind being able to walk around when it's open. Like, if you want to do that, go ahead. But the main point is this needs to give you directions for a specific area. I have a specific area in mind right off the bat, but it'll help you navigate through the game without just looking at your missions list. Because like in the first level, even if you know like to go to, you know, even if you think you know what to do in here, like you know to talk to the whatchamacallit, the receptionist, and you're locked, but you'll start out like trying to leave, obviously. And I'll need a sign right here to say like, hey, you need an ID badge to get into the research grid. Cool. That's why I have this ability here. Sorry about that. Wife, she's been building these U-Gears things. Let's see if we can pull it up. I just keep buying her new ones. Mostly because I think they're fun. My youngest likes to play with them. And my wife's like massive into puzzles. Like where's some of the ones? Is this it? This is the one she's building right now. Wait. No, it's the one with the little funnel. It's the other one. This one connects to it. But yeah, basically like this. And yeah, she likes puzzles and stuff, and she's built a bunch of these over the years. But they really piss her off too, because some of them, they're hard, you know, to put together sometimes, and they're really easy to break. So you always have to have super glue around because you got to put them back together, and you have to wax it and stuff like that, and it can get really tedious. But you know, she's a completionist, you know, major gamer completionist. So it's funny. I had to just help her out tonight. Actually, it's just some of these directions are so hard to read, and just the angles they give you, you don't know if you're doing it right. And I had to rebuild a whole part after it took me like an hour trying to figure out what was wrong with it. It takes a real engineering mind. And yeah, anyways, yeah, I was just giving her a bunch of model stuff, because for my 3D prints I have a bunch of like files, little you know, post-production sort of tools. And I have like a rotary tool and stuff like that too that I use, and I make pieces for her sometimes. But yeah, so she's still working on that. But anyways, signs. I need a sign here. Okay, so let's get the sign real quick. Closable. I'm just gonna make it click out, you know. I mean, I don't know. Should I put an X button too at the top right, like a modal? It's very website-y. Not so much signy, but I mean, technically, I should just make clicking anywhere close it, right? Even if you click the sign. Or maybe add an OK button. I don't know. We'll just make anything clicking close it. It's fine. So we have open up, and then we'll add a click event. Event listener. Click. Yeah, we'll just make it when you click on the thing. I don't want to make it click out, because when you add click events to the entire window, it's really annoying. So I guess I could remove the event listener after it closes. Okay. You convinced me. Why not class list? It's pretty simple, actually. Open up. And then... Can you... I think you have to make this a function to remove an event listener. Close sign. Right? Something like that. And do function close sign, which is just basically that. You can pass things. Like, I think you could do that. I'm pretty sure. And then do like that. Pretty sure you can do that. Let's see if that works. And then, you know, after this gets ran. Or after this gets ran. Then you do document.remove event listener close sign. There we go. Pretty sure that works. Could just be making shit up. No, I'm excited though. Game's coming along. You know, I'm slowly gonna be able to start just pushing forward with the mechanics I have to the next part. That part. Pop, 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 pop. I don't care. Open. Boop. Click. Does not work. Probably hasn't compiled yet. Let's see. Console. Remove. Okay. Guessing it doesn't like value. How do you pass parameter to add event listener? False. What? Here we go. Function, some function, var. Event listener, No, but I want it to actually be a function. Oh, bind? Is that what it is? No. Hold on, let's go to W3 schools. Add event listener. Oh, do you... No. Is that it? Let's try that. That could be it. Babadoop. And that is close sign. No, I want value, not a target. Maybe. Not so sure. That's gonna work. But we shall try. It definitely could work. Alright, let's give it a shot. Boop. Open. Click. It did work. That's how you do it. Good to know. Cool. And look, I can just keep opening it and closing it. Click event should go away, right? No. Click event is not going away. Okay. So how do I get this to... Oh, I forgot. You have to do click. Wait. It's like I don't want to remove all the click events. That's the problem. Remove click event for specific function. I don't know. A single function. Yeah, because like I have this, and I want to remove this. So here they're saying add bop, add bop. Bop. Wait, but how do you remove it? Oh wait, once? Is that a thing? Wait, what? Once is a parameter of event listener? No way. I have never heard of that, but I'm gonna try it because I don't even need to remove it. Oh, here, let's do this. Console, just so I know that it got removed. Hey. Alright, let's try it. I am interested. Bop. Hey. Okay. Oh, it worked. That's how you do it. So, once is a parameter in event listener. Cool. I like that. And it only happens once. I'm into it. I am into it. Well, I mean, technically I don't need to fucking do a whole new function then too. I can just do one of those. Get rid of this. Sweet. I like it. Nice and concise. Nice and precise. Alright. So now that we have the open and close functionality, we can add whatever we want. And remember, I already have the orientation of the sign. Oh wait, did I add that styling already? I did. Cool, so now you can do this. Just click on it and it goes away. Alright, well, let's push this up. I can start using it in the stage site. So I want to refresh this. I do not know if this is current. Let's do push. Let's go to stage. Do not push to production. We'll do some. Hey, did you see the new website? Well, it's not new. It's all ready for Myropelia. What do you think of the new color scheme? You know, the first one is a little bit darker, blue and green, you know. And then for Myropelia, they gave this really cool sunset orange in the background that just made it super epic. I still don't even know what they put in the background there. This is not a monorail, but it's just like, I don't know, like a giant elevator. Looks like War of the Worlds attacking in the background, to be honest, but hey, what project is this? Can you set up for me my VS Code? Hey, Taya. What do you want me to do? You want me to set up your VS Code? I'm using PHP Storm, but yeah, you can use VS Code. And this is, my WordPress video game. Alright, well, apparently there is a fire going on in California. Party supply warehouse. I guess it's near where my other house is. Let's see. Party supply warehouse fire near Burbank. This is 23 hours ago. It's very possible this is what they're talking about. Crews put out structure fire at party rental store in Glendale. This was yesterday. Well, it was put out yesterday. Alright, what am I saying? What am I doing? Yeah. Tatea. What do you want? I can help you out. If it's WordPress programming you need to know about, let me know. I am a WordPress programmer. That's what I do. That's why I'm building this in WordPress. So, yeah. If you have any questions, let me know. If you've already left, which it looks like you already did, feel free to jump back on if you watch this in the future. Alright. Anyways. Signs are open and closed. I have... Oh. Uh-oh. Oh. I need to not run into the sign every time. I was holding onto the right button. Okay. So let's create a new sign that should be in production now. Oh, stage. And I want to create one inside that little room. So when you first go there, it tells you about the whole, you need a badge to get out. It does not look like the code has been pushed yet. Wait, did I even push it? No, I did not. That's what I was doing. Go. Okay. We'll let that build. In the meantime, I need to turn off some console logs because they're getting annoying. I already fixed everything. Cutscene 2. Well, I got a lot of console logs in here. That's fine. I don't think I need this anymore. Nope, these are all... Dude, I can't believe I fixed the NPC walking bug. That was a beast. Figuring out how to rewrite all that. Jesus Christ. That's crazy. I can't believe that. What else do we got? Yeah, I can just get rid of all these. Cool. Save me a headache. Yeah, so now I want to keep building. We're going to get to a point when I need to start creating the extra character ability. Like that whole logic that lets you... Hey, look. Leveling up worked. I have magic. Pew. 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 Fireball. Fireball. I like how it comes back to you like that. That's cool. Shield. Wait, where the hell is he? That's weird. Where'd Forno go? I daren't near. He disappeared. Okay. Oh yeah, look, I was using mana. Glad all that works. Okay. So this should be good. Let's create a sign, which we should have. We do. Alright, the first sign is going to be... Do I need a sign in Thyrus? I might need one there. I mean in Foresight. Yeah. I need signs. Like talking about whose office is whose. Also, should I make signs just automatically pop open when you touch them? Or should I make you have to use the action key? Because I kind of feel like I should make you use an action key to read them. Otherwise, it might be annoying if you're just walking around like open, 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 you know, just keep opening signs. Let's do that. So I don't want this just to open, boop, right when you hit it. I want it, which, I mean, in the real world, you would walk up to a sign and it would open because you're looking at it, but yeah. I mean, I guess we could pretend we already know what the sign says, so we wouldn't read it. So that's a different functionality then. So it's not about that anymore. It's about being within distance and hitting it. Why does this always happen? What am I doing? Where is this? I don't know how I get balloons to pop open like that. I'm doing something. There's a gesture I'm using that I'm making balloons happen. Okay. Well, so that means that this will mimic the breakable functionality. So let's do that. Where is breakable? Here we go. So if the weapon, that's what it is. The weapon. Right. If the weapon... Because right now, technically, I could... See, get rid of the sign. That's actually not like a great functionality. It's all because I wanted to use the data breakable attribute. Okay. Here's what I'm going to do. Not remove if it has the post type. Yeah. If explore sign does not equal value dot data set dot genre, then we'll remove. If it does, don't remove. If it does, open. That's what I'll do. So I can get rid of this whole junk up here now. I can bring it all the way down. Let's put all of this in there. Boop. Okay. Let's give that a shot. That should be what we're trying to accomplish, right? Don't remove item if it's a sign. Okay. Try this again. So here, no longer opens. Interact. Cool. Now you can interact and close it if you want to. So interact, punch, interact, same thing. And then we're good. Okay, I like that better. Let's push that up as well. You know, it just makes more sense to interact with the sign and not punch it. Which, technically, I should create a whole function for interaction. You know, like what to do when you use the interaction button. Because that's what this is. And other interactions. Right? So maybe I should just create a util with interact with item. And then we'll pass the item to the function. And then we can do whatever we want with it. Just kind of how I have like a before and after function inside of the cutscene. We'll do something like this. Function interact with item. Cool. And we'll use item.dataset. Item. Item. This is for signs. Cool. Great. Let's do that. When user hits an item with weapon. Ooh. That's not. Yeah. Well, currently this is only happening if it's not a sign. So I could add other post types to this list, like or. Yeah. Yeah, whatever. This works. Let's push it. Just keep pushing more and more and more. Yeah, this will be good. Alright. Okay, now let's make the sign. So, new sign. Yeah, I'm going to make a bunch of signs for the Foresight office. So let's jump into there. Oops, what am I doing? Boop. Bop. Wait, what? Where is everybody? I broke something? What'd I break? No. What'd I do? I don't know. Where'd he go? Where'd the missions go? Where'd everything go? Oh, something's definitely not right. Alright, let's leave the game. We gonna start fresh. New game. I had to start fresh anyways. Okay. Which I really need to create collision points here. You know, it's almost worth jumping and doing that real quick. Sorry, I just have to. I just keep skipping it because I'm like, I'll do it some other time. But now the computer can handle running more than one product. Yeah, product. Let's do it. Let's go into game creatives. Does this have it? I don't know. Yeah, here we go. Virus. No, I need. You know what? I'm just gonna grab this from the local site. Freedom DAO, you got a virus. Uh-oh. Physical or computer? Welcome, by the way. Freedom DAO in the house. ChatGPT said it was an alien. Shit. That's not good. You can't tell if it's physical or computer. Yeah, with you, it could be either. Damn, man. If it's in your brain or in the computer. Maybe get away from the computer and see if that fixes it. No, I need to go to not themes. I need to see images. Here we go. Oh shoot, I don't even know. Where did I put this? Screenshots. No, no. Where is it? It's assets. CEO office. Okay, foresight map. Here it is. Open. There we go. That's what we need. What happens? ChatGPT is lagging. Then you ask ChatGPT to do a scan. Then it did some kind of weird latency test. Then said aliens are inside it, tampering with it. And manipulating your outputs. But yeah, it happened before when you went offline. It helped. Okay. But also hurt. So this time you're gonna stay online. But just not worry about it. Alright. Well, be careful, man. I mean, you know your body and the system's better than anyone, so. Okay. But you got the virus. No bueno is what I say. Alright, let's create some obvious colored points. Rectangles. So we'll do collision point 1. Alright. Maybe you're wrong. False positive. It could be. Hopefully. I hope you're wrong, man. Don't need you getting any sort of computer viruses in your brain. That does not sound like a fun time to me. Blaze Labs, he's worried about it. About me too. He said that I've been doing quantum states and it's hardcore. Yeah, it's hardcore. $100 hardcore. Alright. Boop boop. Schmoopy boop. Schmoopy doop. We have collision points. Shoop de doop. Schmoopy boop. And I think last time I did collision point inside the office too. Like I didn't allow you to walk into it because you're supposed to kind of hit the door. So I'll just do that again. The bro, I think if aliens exist, why would they pick me? I don't know, because you can do quantum machine learning. Maybe we're trying to wonder why the hell somebody on Earth can do quantum machine learning stuff. I don't know anybody else that does that. Maybe. Yeah. Yeah, give up that shit. Alright. This is good. Now, we need to get rid of the back layer. Let's select... Oh no! One big point. Let's select all of these. I think... Nope. Let's delete this layer just so I can make sure I'm not selecting it. How do you delete layers? I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe like this? No? Alright, whatever. Alright, so we're selecting this. Yeah, but if I give up ChatGPT, said humanity is at risk. Oh. See how ChatGPT with me? Put all the pressure on me. You don't know what to do. ChatGPT does, but won't tell me. When I signed up for Quantum, I needed more drugs. Yeah. That sounds just about right. Nope, I do not want to create it there. Let's create it here. Game creatives. Choose. I choose you. Oh, I need to... Can't I name this? Why won't it let me name it? Create a subfolder. No, don't. Suffix? This is Foresight, I guess. There we go. Oh yeah, there you go. Is your game online yet? Yeah, it's been online. I mean, it's stage. This is the stage site, but it's online. All you have to do is sign in and play. Go, my friend, play. Like a domain one? Are you going to do that? Yeah. I mean, it's going to be on my website. This is my website. Yeah, and I already have a domain set up for it. If you go to orbem.games, this will take you to the Explore game. And the website's orbemortar.com. Yeah. Yeah, I just redirect it now, but I'll probably eventually make it an alias or something, just so you can go to that directly and it won't redirect you. Where was I? I need to go to area. Yeah. Yeah, it'll be good. Hello, what project is this? Tatea, this is Orbem Explore. This is an RPG built in WordPress based off of my sci-fi fantasy novel series. That's what it is. And if you have any more specific questions, I'd be happy to answer it for you. Alright. Right now I'm adding collision points using an SVG file that I upload to the media library. Because that's how I do. How do I get to the media library? Oh. Right here. And, yeah. It's a fun little project. It's coming along too. I mean, I've done a whole butt ton of development on it already. But now it's starting to be usable. So here's my collision points. Everything red. This is a map. And all you have to do is dump that in here. And you're good to go. So this is the first level. This is where you first go. So now if I go to explore, I should have collision points. I do not. What did I do? Well, let's do a new game just in case. Okay, I have that. Yeah, that should work. Interesting. It's not doing anything. Huh. Let's see why. So there's two places. This is the background. That's the black one. And then there should be an SVG file now inside the default map. And there is not. Meaning if I refresh, that's probably not there. Ah, damn it. I didn't catch it. Nope. Not what I meant to do. Nope. Not what I meant to do either. Let's try this again. I don't know why my custom fields have been messing with me lately. Oh shit, no. Go. Alright, come on, save this time. Huh. Why do I break you? Alright, let's see why that's not saving. It might be saving. Let's see what's going on here. We gotta go to the MetaBox class. Map. SVG. That's you. And... okay. It's grabbing properly. Should be grabbing properly. And where's save meta? We have filter, explore map SVG, it's filter raw, perfect. Map SVG goes right here. It's sanitizing and slashing. Oh, that's right. I didn't add a start or stop. I did this last time too. Okay, good. Starting position is what? Here. How many times am I going to do this to myself? Starting position 3461. 3461. And what's the other one? 1942. Back in my day, 1942. Okay, here we go. Now it should save. And now I should have some badass collision points. Here we go. Boop. Oh yeah. I can't go anywhere now. Yay. Oh no. I didn't make the door big enough. No. Wait, did I even add a door there? Shoot. Oh no, it's too small maybe. Shoot, are they all too small? Let's see. Oh my god, I can't fit. I can't fit through my own doors. Poor fella. Okay, and I just noticed it's just like my local. For some reason the character's not showing up. So that's a new bug. What's up with that? Hold on. Why is that happening? Where are my characters? I must have messed something up with the signs. Like, is this him? Yes, Alverson. Yeah, this is a character. Where is he? Did I mess up your Z index or something? What did I do to you? Why are you not here? Oh, I messed up the height and width, didn't I? I thought I just made it if it's 0 though. Did I not set a height for him? I thought I did. Alright, hold on. Yeah, I remember messing around with the height and the width. So that's in the styling. Here's the keys. Height and width. That's just me. Right? Wait. Yeah. So that would be here. Map items. Okay, so no, see, I do height and width in the head. Yeah, right here. So of 0. Yeah. Because this is coming out. Well, I mean, this shouldn't be 0 though for him. So let's see. Why is it coming out 0 for Forno? Because I know it's doing that as well. Doo-doo-doo. Boo-ba-doo. Explore character. Alright, so what does he have? He has 100, 100. Definitely not 0. So let's a var dump. Yeah, let's see what we're getting for height. 'Cause that's really weird. But alright. So let's see what we get. 4 no. Here we go. 100, 100, 0. Okay. Well, by my calculations, 100 pixels does not equal 0 pixels. So what am I doing wrong? Okay. 0 does not equal that. Correct. So then this should be... I'm stupid. Sometimes, people. It's as simple as an echo. God damn it. I hate being dumb. You gotta echo or it won't show up. Okay. Here we go. Doop poop. I don't know why this Tatea guy keeps popping up on YouTube. First he was on one, then he was on the other, asking about the project and then skipping out. Alright. So that's push. Okay, let's fix the doors. Obviously, I originally designed these a bit too small. I should probably define like how big a door should be and then use that going forward, but whatever. Okay, and you're probably too small as well. I mean, I should be able to fit my entire head, my entire body through it. Alright. Let's redo that. Alright, move you to trash. And we will re-upload. Re-upload, please. Go to the area. Let's see. We'll go to Foresight. And we will re-upload you. No. I need to go to the media library. Correct. And let us delete this one permanently. So we don't get any weird collisions. Oh, okay. Take your sweet time. Okay, yeah, I know. It was already gone. Boop. Yeah, okay. That's looking good. Probably, I don't know. Okay. Think we're ready. Let's start a new game. How's my starting position? A little low. Alright, well, can't go through it now. Awesome, collision points. Let's see if I can fit through a door. Boop. I can. Oh yeah. I like it. Cool. So now we're just going in random people's offices. I do like you can do stutter step and go through any wall though. Like if you hit a corner, you can just stutter step through. Shh, don't tell anybody. Wait, what the hell? Oh. You can go in, but you can't come out. Okay. Cool. So now that we can go through doors and stuff. Did he come back? No, he did not. Let's refresh. Code probably didn't push yet. Refresh. Come on, buddy. Go. Is he back? What the hell? Where'd he go? Ah, god damn it. Wait, did I not get Forno to show up? I probably should have checked before I pushed the code. I thought it was pretty obvious. Yeah, he's still not showing up. What am I doing? God damn it. So echo wasn't the only problem? Well, that seems unlikely. Oh god, he's pushing me. His invisible body. Okay, Forno. Let's see. Height? Where the hell's width? Damn it. Can you guys just cut it out? I know it's not your fault, but I have to blame somebody. There he is. Look at that. What up? Push. Okay, you have been pushed. Okay, now let's create some signs. So the signs are going to be in front of people's offices, and you can interact with them if you want. I want to make my office here. This is the one that I'm losing, which it's pretty close to the CEO's office, which he did on purpose. So we'll put a little sign right here saying whatever, Dr. Graham Milford. So let's go into here. Let's go into signs. Let's try making the first one. We'll just say Graham's office. And then we'll say Dr. Graham Milford. And we can make this big, actually. Make it like big. I don't know if that'll actually work, but should work. Let's actually make it bold. And then underneath, not as bold, like this. Nope. We'll do head technologist research R&D division. Right. And we'll do large. Nope. Yeah, whatever. We'll do it all like that. Okay. And let's put this in Foresight. And the position is going to be vertical, which is going to be a breakable. And let's see, the position is going to be right here. So where is that? Where is that position? That position is about 2956, 2353. We'll start there. $25.53. Okay. Yeah. Publish. So now we should have a sign showing up roughly in that area near my office. So let's see if that worked. It did. Okay, it's weird that he's showing up right in front of my office. I should probably put him closer to his office, which is like right here. Makes more sense why he's walking to his office. It's much closer. So where is that? Let's move him up to 2434. 2434. Salverson. And we'll start him at 2434. Great. Yeah, I like that better. Alright. Oh shit, I'm gonna be right where he is now. Woo! Try again. Okay. Okay, much better. And I have the sign. Dr. Granville. Oh, good. All the italics and the bolds worked out. I should probably like center it in the middle of the sign. But, yeah, whatever. Alright, let's change the position. Let's go left. Okay. Let's go left. And we'll put it right up against the wall. And let's go up. We want this to be right next to his door. Cool. So what's that? 2903. I'm definitely gonna need like a better chair setup at some point. I don't know how people sit around so long on stream. $29.03. And what's the other one? $22.79. Alright. Too many twos. Perfecto. Oh, you know what? I wonder if centering this would center it. I don't know how much. I think it's just all the content, so it should actually take all the styling properly. I know I'm just styling the P tag though, so I might have to change it to like the entire group so I can put other things in there. Oh, yeah, there we go. Oh. Yeah, centering worked. Fantastic. I keep wanting to click the space bar to make it stop. Sorry about that. Alright. Yeah. So let's... Yeah, I keep wanting to hit the space bar to close it, but I don't know. It is a PC game, right? We'll leave it for now. Okay, more signs. So this is somebody else's office. Maybe I'll make it the botanist that I mentioned in the book. What is her name? Charlotte or something? I forget what I call her. Orbem, quick. Alright. I call her... It was pretty early on. It was like the first page or whatever. Under my breath, bullshit. Cranston and Giles, blah blah blah. Oh, Carol. Yep. Old botanist. Yeah, I can make her right there. I don't know why she'd be in such a good position office-wise, but might as well. Okay. Make a new sign. Doop. Let's do it. Add new post. We will call it Carol's office. Cool. And what? Same thing. Extra large, bold. Dr. Carol. I don't know. I didn't give her a full name. Wayne's bladder. Just making shit up. MD. I don't know. That'll work. Nope. And then we'll do chief botanist, if that's a thing. Pharmaceutical division? Is that a thing? I don't think I'm spelling anything right. Pharmaceutical? How the hell do you spell pharmaceutical? Pharmaceutical. Oh, that's a long word. Pharmaceutical. Cool. And then we'll center that. Alright, where's this going? This is going in Foresight. This is going to be yeah, that'll be vertical as well. And we'll put it right across from grain. Well, not right across, but let's see, where am I? We'll put it 3292. And where am I at? 2547. Great. Okay, we have a new sign. Where'd it go? I'm in Foresight, right? Yeah. There it is. Hey, pretty close. Let's see what we got. We'll go to the wall. Top, 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 top. We'll go up. Top, 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 top. Yeah, about the same distance, just on the other side. And then where we got 2587. And we have 3254. All right. Now let's make sure it says what I want it to. Dr. Carol Wayne's bladder, Chief Botanist, Pharmaceutical Division. Very nice, very nice. Okay, and this sign says Dr. Gray Milford. I should probably put like terminated. Really nail it home that I got fired. Let's do that. Maybe I should just like cross out his name. Let's just cross it all out. That's messed up. Damn. Your sign's all crossed out now. That's messed up, yo. That's good. Bummer. Talk to Grim. You have been canned. Alright. So cool. Signs are good. And now we have him walking to his office. Though, I need to change his top point. It's too far up. See, he goes through a door. Let's fix that real quick while I'm already fixing things. Salvation. It's just too high. So, his walking path needs to go down maybe like 20 pixels. It's fine. Doop. That should do it. And actually, let me change his walking speed. I made it way too slow just to test it out. Yeah, let's go down to like 8. I don't know. Maybe we can do 9. I like him being slower, but that's just... I don't want to have to outrun him to his office if I want to just go straight there. Okay, let's try it now. Pop, 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 pop. Okay, so he's kind of a little slower than me. But the position in his door is better. So I want to make him a little faster, actually. Let's do 6. And let's actually drop him down another 10. Another 10. These are all little, you know, minute adjustments that a fully established game engine would make a lot easier to do. You know, it's not just like numbers, coordinates on a page. You like drag and drop shit. Alright, let's try it again. Okay, so now he's faster than me. Even if I wanted to. He outruns me. Goes to his office. I can't. Wait, what? That's weird. Oh, I think it's because when I go to a new area, I remove everything. That's why. I should probably remove walking. I have that ability. What is it? Stop movement. Here we go. I should do that. Where's a new area? Enter new area. Yeah, I should immediately stop. You know what I mean? Yeah. I mean, I don't know why I didn't do that. And then when I get there, I'll set it back up. Pop, 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 pop. When it all loads. Right? Much better. Love that util. I can just stop myself from walking at any point. Oh man. Good. Good progress. Alright. So now we're in his office. Which I could create signs all day in here. It can be like gym, bowling alley. I mentioned some weird shit. And then he's gone. Why? Because I fixed it in one spot and I didn't fix it in the other. Orbem area. Alright, so I'm using this function. No, styles and scripts. I'm using this. Which is in templates. Yes. Styles and scripts. Oh no, see look, I added echo. Oh, but I didn't add width. Halfway there. Alright. Okay, let's push all this up just to make sure everything's working. Ba-doop-a-doop-a-doop. And then let's continue. Because I want to make a sign in here. Oh, good. That worked. Why'd that work? But he didn't work in the other one. I don't know. I don't know. I do not know. But, okay. So I can't get out. Correct. There is a blockade. I need a sign right here that tells me, hey, you need a ID badge to get out. So let's do that. Create a new sign. This was the main use case I wanted for the sign. So, finally getting to it. Alright, this is receptionist badge sign. It's gotta be as descriptive as it can. And I kind of like the big text, so I'm gonna stick with that theme. Notice. Entry to the research grid is restricted to employees of Virus. Badges required. Whatever. A valid employee badge. Cool. We'll make that bold. We'll make this. Oh, I forgot I can't change the different sizes. I mean, I can technically, but I could do like subscript or some shit. Let's see actually what that looks like. Subscript. I don't know. I don't know if I like that. I don't think I do. Alright, let's just make it italic. Okay, and this is going to go in Virus. Alright. And let's put that here, which is where? Oh, there's a little hole. I gotta move that over. Whatever, we'll do 3800, 1600, 3800, and 1600. See where that goes. And this is not vertical, so I just don't have to use breakable. And this will show horizontally. Let's see what we got. Yep, that's about right. Alright, let's put the sign. Badoop, 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 badoop. What the hell? Where is it? Is it the top? Yes. Receptionist badge sign in map item. Alright. Going to the right. And yeah, just a little bit like that. We'll go down. And the sign is right there. Cool. So that's 1723. 1723. And what was the other one? 3827. Cool EO. And let's make sure the sign looks good. Or at least good enough. Uh-oh. We have a problem. I forgot my punching ability going up is not high enough. Left and right works. That does not. So let's fix that. So I need to do this. Where am I? Where's my weapon? Right here. Let's add engage. Okay. And what does that do? Here we go. Okay. This is my weapon in engage mode. Padding top 5 is not enough. Apparently. What the hell? Why can't I see it? Oh, it has no width. What happened to width? That's weird. There we go. That's weird. Okay, well. That's way too much. Well, technically it should be hitting then. Alright, whatever. Let's apply that styling. Weapon. And this is going to be top. Yep. So actually I have it higher than I need. Where the hell's the width? Am I not defining width anywhere? Well, why is that width on left and right? It shouldn't. Wait, where the hell is the height and width defined if I'm not defining it anywhere? Well, we can look. Let's see. Why are you showing width? Oh, is it because it has padding on the top? No. No, it doesn't. Just to the right. Where are you getting your width? I mean your height. Technically, I guess. 40 by 20. Where's 40 coming from? I do not know. Well, let's give it some. Only when I'm attacking, though. Here we go. Weapon, protection, engage. Okay, engage. This one. Let's give it a width. What did I say? I think I said 8. Whatever. Let's give it 1 rem. That should work. But I wonder if that's going to hit. It should, based off of what I'm seeing. Hit. Wait, what's 5 rem look like? Okay, yeah, see, that just goes backwards. See, but it's not hitting the damn thing. Why not? Technically, it should be. Definitely hitting. When you gon' hit? Punch. Why you no punching? That's really weird. I have to fix that. I guess I haven't done up or down signs before. So let's actually do that real quick. And then I'll probably call it a night. Okay, let's go here. Signs. So, oh, those are missions, not signs. Sign. Test sign. Let's get rid of that. Move it left a little bit. And see if we can hit it. See, look. Doesn't work. Weird. Huh. But left can hit. Oh. How come it was working before? Is it because the red thing isn't hitting? So the blue thing means nothing now? It's only this red thing. I bet you that's it. Where is it? Okay, so this needs to change. So what the hell am I doing with that blue shit then? So if I change you to engage, technically it's not growing, but weapon is growing. Is this a issue with Z index? I didn't think this was going to be a problem. Oh, is this just an issue because it doesn't have the breakable? Shit, I might be being dumb. I think that's it. I thought I fixed that though. Hold on. Sign. Oh, god damn it. It needs to have the breakable class. Okay. Then I can't use this for only... Yeah. So I really need to remove this, but you can't just hit everything that gets hit, you know? I guess it's the weapon elbow, so I could. Okay, so instead I can do this. Breakable. So instead I can do data set breakable equals true. There we go. Right? And get rid of this. Oh, well, I should still check that weapon L exists. Okay. Let's try that. That should work. There we go. Now we can hit things again. Cool. Push that up. Doop. And then I'm done for tonight, I think. It was good. Fix some bugs. Got signs working a little bit better. And I think we're in a good position. All I need to do now is check that this works. And we'll save some more work for tomorrow. Now I have the sign, I can go and talk to the onboarder. She's going to tell me to set up my office. That's going to be the next task. And I need to create a new item ability. I have collectible, I have breakable, I need grabbable. So I need to be able to grab things and move them around. Which I'll just use, you know, the action key and move things around. Like if I'm holding it, then I'm holding the item. Should be easy to do. Alright, let's see if this works. There we go. Notice, enter a badge required. Oh, god damn it. How do I get a badge? Oh, collect ID badge. Okay, well, I'll go over here. Hello, you need a badge. Oh, sure, let me give you that. Doop. Thank you. Find onboarder. Okay. Where is she? Oh! Hey! I'm your onboarder. Boop dappa doop bop doop bop doop. Go set up your office. Fine. Oh yeah. What the hell? Why is she not saving? Her points never save. Ah, it must be just another stupid metabox save thing. Okay, I'm done. Thank you everybody for joining. Freedom DAO, if you're still on, I really appreciate you jumping on, man. And good luck with your virus. I hope everything works out and that you make it to the next stream, because I enjoy your company. Everybody else who's watching in the future, hey, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow me on Twitch. Come ask me questions. Come talk to me. Again, Myropelia is out today. Book 2. So if you haven't read book 1, I would jump into Orbem and check that out so you can read book 2. And I will leave it at that. So everybody have a great whatever time it is for you. And I hope you had a great whatever time or day or whatever it was for you. And thanks so much. I'll say goodbye Twitch and goodbye YouTube Shorts live feed. You are now connected. Have a great night. Thanks everybody. And I'll say goodbye to YouTube. You're next. Bye YouTube. Regular YouTube.